What is up, you guys? In today's episode, I want to talk to you about why your values as a person, as a business owner, matter more than anything else. Let's dive in. Welcome back, guys. As always, I always say it, but I mean it from the bottom of my heart. I'm so grateful for your time and your attention. It's the most valuable asset that you have, so I do not take it lightly, you giving me your eyeballs, giving me your ears for a moment. And I'm here to help you on your journey, growing your woodworking, growing your handmade business. And so today I want to talk to you about why your values matter more than anything else as a business owner. Now, This is not as tactical of an episode as many have been, but this is the foundation of your business success. I want to make that super clear. There's groundwork that has to be laid inside of your mind, inside of your heart, to be able to grow a business. And if you don't have those things figured out, if you have not worked out those kinks inside of your own mind, it's going to resonate through your business, and people are going to pick up on that. And you're not going to sell what you would hope to sell, and it's going to affect your interactions, and it's going to affect your branding, it's going to affect your communication, and I want to talk to you about that. So, number one, if profit is your only goal, then your brand is not going to connect to your clients. Your clients don't care how profitable you are. Your clients don't care how much money you make. Your clients care about them. They care about their values. They care about their goals. They care about their home. They care about their clothing. They care about their look. They care about their reputation. That's what they care about. So we want our values to align in a way that says we also care about that for you. But let me also be very clear. We need to have a profitable business. If we are just frilly-nilly, all in our feelings and we don't care about the bottom line, well, you're not going to be in business long. Like, you might have had great intentions, but you have to turn a profit in order to continue moving forward. And if you don't, then we're not going to stay in business long. So profit is the goal, but it cannot be the only driving force inside of your business. And I've said this before, and I'm going to say it again. People connect to you and your brand through your shared values. If you value what they value, they're going to connect to your brand. Point blank, period. We don't necessarily connect simply based on the product. There are some brands that I love the product and I don't necessarily connect with the values of the brand, but that's very rare. Or it's just because they're a giant multi-billion-dollar business, right? So here are some examples of how you can connect with your ideal target audience, your ideal prospect, through shared values. Number one, we build tables to connect families around the table. So it's not about just the fact that we build tables, but we think about, why would a client want a table? Well, to have a beautiful place to gather for their family. And they also care about it being beautiful. So you could say we build beautiful tables to connect beautiful families around the table. We make candles to make houses smell like homes. Like, these are all just examples. Like, don't take this and run with this. Some of this stuff might be cheesy. I just whipped this out. But we want to connect the product that we make to the reason that we would make it. Okay? Number three, we build birdhouses so that you can experience nature in your backyard. We build porch swings so that you can enjoy your cup of coffee in your quiet time every morning, right? Whatever that might be, okay? We make XYZ, our product, because blank. That's how you connect what you do to shared values, okay? Every business should have this established in their business. There's an old saying that says, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. So as a business, it's incredibly vital that we connect our heartbeat and what we care about to our business, so that they're not just buying a product, but they're buying a reason. They're connecting to our brand above our competitors because they are connected to our why that drives our business. For example, for me, with the Woodworking Business Accelerator program, I do it because I love seeing people's life change. Are there financial benefits to it? Absolutely. For me, for my family, absolutely. But it's super cool because I take clients that are doing, $2,000 to $5,000 a month. And I actually have clients inside the program right now that when we started, they were doing $2,000 to $5,000 a month. And now they're doing over $30,000 a month in sales 6 months later. So we've literally 10x'd their business. They've gone from working by themselves in their garage trying to figure this thing out to now they have a commercial space and they have other workers. They have 2 or 3 other employees. These clients went from basically doing this as a really stressful hobby and paying themselves basically nothing to now paying themselves a good living. It has totally opened up their world and given them flexibility and freedom with their life. And so my why behind the Woodworking Business Accelerator program was, man, I was that guy that had a struggling woodworking business and didn't know how to grow it, didn't know how to scale it. I developed those skills. I grew my own business. Now I want to help other people do the same thing because it's life changing. It's life altering, right? And so sharing your values around what you do and why you do it, it's going to give you a competitive edge against your competitors that might have an equally great product, but it's hard to connect to their brand or their face or who they are as people. And so I wanted to keep this episode shorter. A lot of our episodes have been longer lately, but hopefully this gives you an idea as to why you really need to hone in on your values and get clear. And it can't just be that we value these things, but we don't communicate them. If you have strong values, then you must communicate them so that your clients or your potential clients are aware of it and they can connect to you through those shared values. So with that being said, guys, if this video was beneficial, if it was helpful at all, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. If you're listening to this on the podcast and you haven't checked out our YouTube channel yet, be a true homie or a true homegirl and go check that out, subscribe. We're really trying to push and grow the YouTube channel right now, and it would mean the world to me, genuinely. But with that being said, I love each of you guys. Thank you again for your time and your attention. I don't take it lightly, and I will see you guys on the next video.